What's up guys, Jaron Craig here with Cryptology, and in today's episode we're going to show you how to bridge your XDO tokens from Polygon network over to Ethereum network using anyswap. So let's get started. Alright, so for starters, in your MetaMask wallet, go to anyswap.exchange/bridge. You'll come up to this page. Make sure you're signed in to the Ethereum main network within your MetaMask wallet. Also, double check up here, make sure this is on Ethereum mainnet. You'll want to ensure that you have a little bit of Ethereum in your wallet for gas, just to ensure that your transaction doesn't get stuck, as well as having Matic and XDO in your Matic version of the wallet. So then we'll go to this box here. You'll type in XDO, that'll come up. Then you'll see that you have a balance of XDO here. I'll go ahead and put it all in. Now it tells you how much you'll receive on the Ethereum side. Now you go down and click cross-chain deposit and confirm. Now you're going to sign this message. And you'll see this little X up over here. You can click that and see the status of the transaction. Looks like the Polygon transaction was a success, which that was surprisingly fast. To ensure that the tokens are in your wallet, just go down to wallet. You'll want to manually add the Ethereum XDO contract address, which I'll drop that in the description so you can know the accurate one. Now we will wait until it bridges over. It could be anywhere from 20 minutes to a few hours. One little tip, if you happen to realize that it's taken forever on your transaction, you can go to anyswap.net/explorer. You can go over to tools down here, copy and paste your TX hash, and select XDO from chain Polygon to chain Ethereum, and then send it, and that will submit your TXN, and it may speed things up a little bit. By the way, I just did that, and now it looks like the XDO is in my Ethereum wallet. So basically the process is complete. If you guys have any more questions, I'll link our Discord down in the description, and there's many helpful people that will help you with anything that you need. Thank you guys. If you thought this video was helpful or informative, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a good day.